Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to clone apps on the Poco C75. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here, just tap on dual apps and tap on create. Now from here, just enable the toggle for the apps which you want to create a clone of. Just like that. Now just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to create a clone of the selected app. Just like that. Now if you go to your home screen and open the app drawer, now as you can see we have successfully created a clone of this app. And as you can see there is an icon at the bottom left corner of the cloned app to indicate that this is the cloned version of the original app. And this is how you can clone apps on the Poco C75. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.